Scott?
Yes, Eli. So we've got a chilly weekend coming ahead of us, but don't let that fool you. We've got some warm weather coming next weekend. Let's talk about it. Current conditions are 39 degrees. The clouds are pretty thick. That high 63, don't let that fool you. That was at 1 a.m. before the cold front moved through. It only reached about 45 at noon, and we will hit 30 before midnight comes. The winds are backing out of the northwest. It was quite blustery earlier today, but it's going to die out throughout the night. Let's take a look at what we have coming. This low pressure system is going to track across the country quickly. Tomorrow afternoon, it will cloud up after you see a clear morning. And when those clouds come in, we will see some snow. What's going to happen, that wind's going to come out of the east quickly right after the snow begins, and we're going to turn right back to rain with very little accumulations. Tonight, it's going to be cold, 27 degrees, mostly clear. Those northwest winds are backing out 4 to 12 miles per hour. If those winds die out more, it might get colder. We could see in the low 20s. Tomorrow, though, it's going to be cold and dreary. Wintry precip is possible. We're probably going to see snow before switching over to rain. We've got a high 41, low 27. And we've got the winds switching out of the southeast. That's what's going to change the snow right back to rain. Looking into the extended forecast, Saturday, we've got a strong low pressure system off to our coast. This northeast flow, that's going to cause some big waves. If you like to see the rough ocean, go check it out on Saturday, even though it's not going to be that warm. Sunday, though, the low pushes off more. We have a light low forming over top of the North Carolina coast. That's going to bring us some clouds, maybe a few sprinkles, but I wouldn't break out your rain jacket for it. Going on to Monday, we're going to see high pressure dominate. The southwest track is going to push warm air from the Gulf. As that high moves offshore on Tuesday, the southwest flow will continue. You can see this warm front pushing through. We're going to see high to mid 60s, and that's going to bring some real close to spring temperatures. Taking a look at the 7-day, we've got dreary day tomorrow, wintry precip come tomorrow night and overnight on Friday. Then the weekend, it's going to be chilly, some winter days, some clouds, and it's going to be in the 40s. And then spring is moving in throughout the week as we see some 60s start to appear. Thank you. Back to you.
Well, it was another gloomy day here on Salisbury, but we do look to have a light at the end of the tunnel coming this weekend. Today there was a high of 68 degrees, which is better than what we've seen with these colder, rainy days we've had recently. Was a cool 51 this morning, still currently 60 degrees with a light east-northeast wind at 3 to 8 miles per hour. I have a not-so-good forecast for the rest of the week, but like I said, light at the end of the tunnel this weekend. Let's take a look at it. Thursday morning, as you can see, there is a chance for rain as we have this stalled-out stationary front. That's been sitting below us all week. That's why we've had rain all week. Finally, though, this front is going to come push that through on Friday. As we move in towards the afternoon, you can see the stationary front move slightly past us, being pushed by that cold front. That cold front's going to bring us some drier air, but not before a good soaking. We may even see a few thunderstorms as well. That'll rain all day Friday, starting in the morning and clearing somewhere around dark. Tonight, though, 56 degrees is a low. The rain's going to taper off, but there could be a few showers left, but it's going to be mostly cloudy with some light and variable winds. Tomorrow, it's going to be mostly cloudy. There could be a few spotty showers, but I'll rule that out for the most part. You might see the sun. I think the sun will pop out. It'll be a much better day than today. High of 73, low of 56 degrees with a light east wind, so it will be cooler by the beaches, but not too much cooler since the wind's pretty light. Looking at our extended forecast, we've got Saturday. As you can see, that front I mentioned would pass on Friday. It's off the coast of us on Saturday. That's going to get most of the moisture out of here, but then this second cold front lining up over Ohio, that's going to push past us Saturday night. That's going to bring the cool air. We are going to see some more precipitation from that front, but it's not going to be very long. It's going to be an hour or two of good rain. That should be around late Saturday afternoon. As we move into Sunday, though, we will start to see some sun, actually mostly sunny as the high pressure moves over the eastern half of the United States. Then moving into Monday, we're going to have a mostly sunny day as well as that high pressure starts to dominate the East Coast. That'll slide off as Tuesday and Wednesday comes. So let's take a look at the 7-day. Thursday, mostly cloudy, could be a few spotty showers, and you could see a few patches of sun as well. It's going to get warm on Friday and Saturday with rain all day on Friday. Could be a few thunderstorms as well. Saturday, we're going to have a beautiful day, so don't sleep in. Use the morning and the afternoon because then the late afternoon, that rain will come in with that second front to cool it down for Sunday and Monday, which will both be pleasant days, just slightly cooler than what you'd expect for this time of year. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, we move in with Wednesday, another front approaching with about a 30% chance of precipitation right now. Thank you. Back to Eli.